Query successful. Try again without apps. Tired of seeing your money just vanish? You download the Rocket Money app, you see the numbers, you might even cancel a forgotten subscription or two, and you think you're all set. But what if I told you that you're likely leaving serious cash on the table by only using the basic features? Rocket Money is more than just a subscription cancellation tool, it's a full-on financial dashboard, and you need to unlock its power for maximum savings. Today, we're diving into 3 of the budgeting hacks you probably didn't know about. First up, it's all about the custom budget categories and paycheck planning. Everyone uses the default categories like groceries and entertainment, right? But here's the hack: instead of just using the defaults, get hyper-specific. Create a category called Monthly Coffee Run or Friday Pizza Night. Why? Because you can set an individual spending limit for that micro-category. By making your budget granular, you gain a level of self-awareness that turns overspending into a planned, intentional expense. Then, use the Spending tab to look at your future bills and plan your budget around your actual pay dates. This is less about monthly budgeting and more about real-time, paycheck-to-paycheck money management, keeping you ahead of those big expenses. Next, let's talk about the net worth tracker for motivation. Most people ignore the net worth section because they think it's just for high rollers with investment portfolios. Wrong. Rocket Money lets you manually add assets, like the value of your car or even equity in your home. By linking your debts, like student loans or credit card balances, you create a live, holistic view of your financial standing. The hack here is using the trend line as a massive motivator. Watching that line slowly climb is more powerful than any individual budget win because it proves your small habits are creating long-term wealth. You're not just saving for a month, you're building a better future. Finally, the most powerful and often overlooked hack: custom transaction rules. You know how the app sometimes miscategorizes a transaction? Maybe that big box store run gets split between groceries and home goods. Stop manually fixing it every time. Go into an incorrectly categorized transaction, hit Create a Rule, and tell Rocket Money exactly how to categorize that specific store or retailer for the future. You can even set rules to ignore specific transfers between your own accounts. This might sound minor, but it transforms your spending insights from a rough sketch into a perfectly accurate financial picture, saving you time and giving you confidence in your numbers. By applying these 3 advanced hacks, hyper-specific budgeting, using the net worth tracker for motivation, and setting up custom transaction rules, you move from simply tracking your money to actively directing it. This is how you master the app and take true control of your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.